Frozen pizza on a pellet grill? Let's give it a shot. Y'all stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Clint. We're doing another cooking video for you today. Something that's real easy, and I hope it tastes good. If y'all are like us, we're in the middle of a dadgum heat wave, and it's hot, y'all. If you watch my last video, you can tell it, and I got some comments that, yeah, you probably don't need to do that anymore. Well, it is what it is. You out there working in the shop, you're gonna get sweaty. I got home from work today. The wife just got home. She's working on schoolwork. She's going for her master's degree. We were trying to figure out what we wanted to do for dinner. We thought pizza sounds pretty good, but neither one of us wanted to order. We had some frozen pizzas in the freezer, but since it's been so hot, neither one of us really wanted to turn the oven on and make the AC work any harder than it has been. Good for us, we've got an easy bake oven, also known as a pellet grill. I've never seen anybody do a frozen pizza on a pellet grill before. I'm sure I'm not the first one that came up with the idea, but maybe I'm the first one to put it on video and throw it out there for the whole world to see. I don't know, maybe. I never searched it. Recipe's pretty simple. All you need is a pizza pan, a frozen pizza of your choice. We like Red Baron. Non-stick cooking spray of your choice. Italian seasoning of your choice. And lots of mozzarella cheese of your choice. Take your frozen pizza of choice and remove it from the packaging. Throw that in the recycle bin for later. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Before you put your pizza on your pizza pan, spray some of your favorite non-stick cooking spray on it. Get it unwrapped. Here's the creme de la creme. It doesn't matter what flavor of pizza you have. You have got to add Italian seasoning. Take a drink of beer. Oh, PSA. Nobody really makes a koozie for bottles because there's so many different shapes and sizes. But here's the thing. If you put a foam koozie over the bottle and then put it in the Yeti, oh, it works just fine. That's your public service announcement for the day. Now that you've got your pizza all seasoned up the way you like it, I'm gonna go out and fire up the Traeger to 425 degrees. All right, the Traeger's up to temp. Let's throw this dude on there. Now the way I make these pizzas in the house, at 415, I'll let them go for 12 minutes. Then I pull it out, throw some cheese on it, and spin it around. So I'll kind of get more even heat on it. You know what I mean? All right, it's been 15 minutes. It's not generally what I see when I do this in the house. So I'm gonna put it back in there and give it another 2 minutes. All right, it's been 2 more minutes. All right, that's a little bit better. So I'm gonna pull this out of here. See what I do? I'm gonna flip this around 180 degrees. Because I can definitely see this side is more crispy than that side. So that way you get a more even cook. I'm gonna take my shredded mozzarella and add it to the pizza. You don't want to put this on at the beginning because this will burn. Now once you've got it all cheesed up to your preference, throw her back in there. And since we ended up with 14 minutes before, I think I'm going to go with 14 minutes this time. Alright, it's been 14 minutes since we added our cheese. Oh yeah, that looks good right there. Okay, that's a little crispy. Maybe I should have cut it down to 12 minutes on the second round, but I'm pretty happy with that. So let's get this cut up. Alright, I've given this about 5 minutes to cool off. Let's give this a run and see what it tastes like. Dadgum, that's good. It's a little crispy on top, more than I like it. Next time I do this, I'm going to cut the temp down to 415, just like I do in the house. And keep the same times. So let's say, cut it down to 415, do 12 minutes, pull it out, spin it around, put your cheese on it, put it back in for another 12 minutes. Man, that's good. If y'all have done frozen pizza on your pellet grill before, drop a comment below. I want to hear how yours turned out. Cheers. Hope you all liked the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till the next time, keep the shiny side of your Jeep up and grill on.